Alright. Here I am with another video. Okay, let me answer. Let me remove your confusion. Okay, Agia Pelagia is not just like one place. It has two small beaches next to it. The first one is called Mades and the second one is called Lygaria. So today I'm going to be showing you Mades. You can see how beautiful it is. You can visit this place. You can literally walk to this place from Agia Pelagia, and you can walk to Lygaria as well. So let me show you. Look at this. How beautiful it is. I can hear somebody is like meh 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 meh. I'm here for Agia Pelagia. This is what you are showing me, Zamir. I don't like it. Meh meh meh. Come on, look at this. I know that you already want to be here. And look at that place. I'm sorry about the wind. That's a taverna, a place where you can eat, and the view. Look at this is going to be your view. And if you want to support the channel, and if you want me to buy high quality equipment to bring high quality videos, then I'm gonna leave my PayPal account link in the description, and also the Patreon link. You can be a Patreon, or you can just donate to my PayPal account, and I'm gonna buy good high quality mics to bring you good quality videos. Okay, so you can walk on these stones, go there, take some awesome pictures, and you can also walk that way, explore that area, and you can also rent apartments and places where you can stay here. And the beach itself is like a kind of closed bay. It's not going to get any windier or wavy than this. So yeah, I highly recommend you to visit this place. Okay, so this was Mades, and now we are going to go to Lygaria. I want to show you Lygaria. Hold on. Okay, so now we are in Lygaria. I am a bit unstable lately, so yeah, we are in Lygaria. Just to make sure to show you, this would be your parking area, but this water will go away. I see still from the mountains, from the rain, from the last days, some water is coming, but this will be dry and nice. And this is Taverna Lygaria. I don't remember if I have ever eat here something, but this is a taverna. And pretty much this is the beach. This side of the beach is a little bit rocky and with the stones. Okay, now I know the difference between a stone and a rock. Okay, this must be a stone and this must be a rock. So this part is a little bit rocky, but that side of the beach is sandy, and it has very fine sand. And as you can see, those buildings there, they are hotel and Airbnbs, and in front of the hotels and Airbnbs there are coffee shops and taverns, restaurants where you can eat and grab a coffee. Yeah, and there is a place, I remember that they were putting the books for you to study, but I don't see it now. Maybe because of the bad weather they removed it. Possibly they are going to install it again. So yeah, this is pretty much Lygaria beach. Variety of options for you to stay, very laid back, kind of hidden place. And if you are coming to stay in Agia Pelagia, you can give this place also a visit. It's really worth it. I guarantee you that you are going to have a good time here. And yeah, we have here fishing. And yeah, we have some seats here. They are going to install some umbrellas, and that's a small little lighthouse there that looks uh, so neat in the evenings, and we have more seats to sit. And the colors of the rocks, you can notice how vibrant it is. And if you are thinking, can I go there and can I fly the drone around me to get some epic shots? Of course you can go there, and in the other side of that that rock, or let's say hill, I don't know what to call that place, so behind it there is also a small beach where you can go, and the other side will be Agia Pelagia. But really quick, I want to show you this. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? You can still put your towel and get some sun from here. Yeah, and also good place to take pictures, and the water is really clean. Okay, so this was Lygaria beach. It's really worth it, and now we are finally going to go to Agia Pelagia to see what's going on there, if the hotels, taverns, restaurants are open, or still there is time to get open, because I noticed some tourists are already coming to Crete, and pack your bags, man, pack your bags. And here we are in Agia Pelagia. Let me show you the beach. So you tell me, isn't it beautiful? Huh? I hope you are enjoying walking with me. If you do, please let me know in the comments. Look how blue it is. Unbelievably blue. And I see there is work going on. They are fixing the taverna. The path that right now I'm walking, if we would walk this path till the end, you will get there. And believe me, if you would go there, you're really going to like it. Not just like it, you're going to love it. It's so beautiful there. And I want you to go there because you're going to like it, and you will get happy. Yes. I'm gonna give you few tips about this place. Well, the first thing will be that this is a seaside village. It's a small village, so it has a supermarket which has some products in case if you are coming here early, if you are staying here, then you can do your groceries from there. And also there is a diving center. I don't know if they are functioning now, but in the summer they always are open, and these waters are so blue and crystal clean to dive. So that's the second thing. And the third thing is mostly the locals from Heraklion, they are coming here to Agia Pelagia to eat. And yeah, they have good food. And I want you to try the food from here. I can guarantee the quality that you are going to like it. We still have some sun here, but they are going to clean it. But still not bad, walking on the sun. Classico Cafe Cocktail Bar. Hey, please let me know if you have any suggestions, recommendations, thoughts about this place, and if you want me to go to another places to shoot it for you, I would like that. And I would really like if you hit the like button, and if you would subscribe, that would be amazing. So I already thank you for doing that. And yeah, so this is the kind of uh, center of the village where you can buy some stuff. It's not completely functioning, but I think let's go there. Let me just take you for a walk there. Oh, she's so sweet. It's a he. Hey, Catty, are you having a good time? Huh? Oh, that's so sweet. You know, cats are the most sensitive. I think correct me if I'm wrong, but cats are too sensitive, and I've heard somewhere that they can feel the energy, and they would never come close to you if you are hyper or if you are I don't know, unstable. Uh, oh yeah. Hey, Catty, that's a she. She's saying, hey, I also deserve some love. Of course you do. Okay. Okay, see you in the summer. Girls, they are always A little bit. Yeah, difficult to handle. Okay, so I was talking about this supermarket, and I was thinking this is open. My apologies, it's not open. Uh, but the ATM machine is functioning. Okay, so and this was a brief tour of Agia Pelagia and Lygaria and Mades. If you are coming to Agia Pelagia, go around and explore also the other beaches in this area. Also, now, if you are having a good if you like this video, hit the like button and also leave a comment and share your thoughts. Whatever it is, go ahead and share it with me. I'm gonna read it, and if there was something that I could do about it, I definitely will consider doing it. And if you are having a good time, subscribe, and yeah, that's all. And until the next time, peace.